So, hello students, hope you all are doing well. So, let's continue our Java object-oriented programming language series, okay? And today we will gonna discuss about your concept of your interfaces in Java, okay? So, let me share my desktop screen and then we will continue our today lecture, okay? So, the interfaces in Java, okay? The basic concept of the interfaces that what are the interface in Java, okay? See, the interfaces, it is nothing but it is also implementing the concept of your abstraction, okay? The concept of abstraction, okay? Means what I'm trying to say that your interface inter your interface is also used for hiding the unrequired data, okay, unrequired data from end user, okay. That means if some data that are not relevant according to the user requirement, then it will not gonna show them, okay. So, you can say that the interface is a just another way to just implement the concept of your abstraction in Java programming. Okay. So, and now let's see that how we can just achieve the concept of your interface and how can we implement the interface in Java. Okay. So generally, we are declaring our interface by this interface keyword, and you can take any name here. Okay, so let's say interface car, and your curly braces is being just declare here. Okay, so your interface is being just declared by this keyword that is interface. Okay, and the another thing is that your interface is not a class, okay? Although your in the concept of your abstraction, the classes are being defined as a type of abstract class, okay? But your interface is not a type of class, okay? Your interface is not a class, okay? And inside this interface car, you can just declare the methods. You can just declare the methods. Okay, so here let's declare anything. Void void. See, in our abstract class, how we are declaring the method like public abstract abstract, okay, and we are taking the void and anything, let's take it drive here, okay, public abstract void drive, and just semicolon. That is how we are just defining the method on our abstract classes, okay. But but the main feature of using your interfaces, okay, although by passing the time the thing are make you easier to just do any work, okay. So by if you are using the concept of your interface, then you don't have to write this public abstract, okay. What I'm trying to say that by default your interface your the interface is containing this public abstract by default with every methods that are the defining inside your interface classes, okay. So if you are not writing the abstract here, by default it will take that is your drive method is of public abstract type, okay. This is the main property of your interface, okay. uh, it will take all method by default as a type of abstract any, okay. Also, we can define another method here. Void, just take it, uh, play music here, okay? Play music, and we are defining, okay? And somebody think that how can we just to prove that your interface is by default taking all the method as a abstract type, then uh, it will be proved uh, in your every abstract classes. You can use both kind of method, okay? Both kind of method, that mean either you are just declaring your method, or you can also define your method as well in abstract classes, okay? By using this curly braces, but in your interface you can't define those methods, because your all method are by default of abstract type, and you can't define the abstract methods, okay? See, it shows the error, and the error is abstract method do not specify a body, okay? And here we don't have defined any abstract keyword before our method, but it is still showing the error, that is abstract method do not specify anybody, okay? That means every methods that are defined inside your interface, they are by default of abstract type, okay? Now, the interfaces are can't directly just ex extended by any class. Okay, the interfaces, and now see, it will give the only the declaring the functions. Okay, declaring the method inside it. And now, if you wanted to implement those method, then you have to make another class, okay? What I'm trying to say, if I wanted to implement these two method, then I have to make another class. So let's take a class, and the name, let's take alto, okay? Alto. And now during your abstraction, okay, what we are doing, we are just extend those abstract classes, okay? We are just extended with, we are just inherit those abstract classes to the new classes for implementing the abstract methods, okay? But in case of your interface, you can't extend the interface. So there is a predefined keyword, that is implement, okay? Implement the car, okay? So by using this keyword implement, we are able to just defining these two method inside our alto class, okay? And then just see, there is a error showing here, that is the type alto must implement the inherited abstract method car premise, okay? Also by using this keyword, we are inheriting the properties of our interface, okay? And by using the extend keyword, we are also inheriting the properties of our abstract classes, okay? But uh, as we know that our interfaces are not of the class type, okay? That's why we can't use the extend keyword, okay? So there is a predefined keyword, that is implement is used for the inherit the all the attribute of our interfaces, okay? So now we have to defining these two method inside our all2 class, okay? And this is the also the we had seen that if you are just inheriting the properties of abstract classes, then you have to define the un uh, declare abstract method inside your class, okay? So here we are defined public public void, public void drive, okay, public void drive, and you can just pass, we will pass the simple message that driving, okay, driving, okay. And also we have to implement this play music as well inside my alto class, okay. So public void play music, okay, play music. And after that we have to make a method type and system dot out println, we will pass play music, okay, play music here, okay. So that is how you can just inherit the properties of your interfaces in the classes, okay. And now just make the object of your alto class inside your main function, okay. So alto al is equal to new alto, okay, new alto. And by using this object al, we can access those method that is drive and al dot play music, okay. Run your program, and then we are able to got these two output, that is driving and play music here, okay. And that is how see. And if here you are trying to just create the object of your interface, then it will throw an error, okay. See, if I am trying to create the object of my interface, okay, object car, okay, object car, then it will throw an error because I can't create the object of interface. See, it throws error that is can't in instantiate the type car, okay, because my car is the interface, okay. So we can't create the object of interface, okay. So if we have to implement the just declared method inside the interface, then we have to implement that interface by using this keyword implement to the another class. And then we are defining those abstracts method that are being declared into the interface, and then we are able to access those method by creating the object of that particular class, okay. So this is the concept of your interface. And also there is also concept behind your the interface, like see, these are your method and functions, okay. But what if I'm trying to declare my variable, okay, int a is string, let's take name, okay, okay. And let's take as the as, okay, as, okay. So see, it it is throw an error. Why? See, there is a property of your interface, and that is a very attribute inside your interface. They are static and final. Okay, they are static and final type. Okay, what I'm trying to say that any attribute are being defined inside your interface, they are final. That means we had already seen the concept of our final keyword. Uh, that means you can't change the value of that particular variable in future. Okay, if you are declaring your variable as a final type, then you can't change those value into the future, okay. So any attribute that are being defined inside your interfaces, they are of final and static type, okay. So that's why here we have to declare the we have to just initialize the variables here, okay. And let's take here Java tech, Java tag. Okay, so here we have to initialize the variable. Okay, because every attribute are the static and final type inside the interfaces. Okay, and now if you have to access these attribute age and name, then you don't have to do anything. You can directly access the attribute of your interfaces by using the name of your interface. Okay, see, this is also a property, that is you can directly access the attributes. Okay, you can directly access the attributes by just using the name of your interface. Okay, so s out car h control x. Okay, and also you can access your name as well. So let's copy it and paste it here. uh, Paste it here and cr dot name. Let's take it here, name cr dot name here. Okay, now run your program, and then we will see the 21 and java tag here. Okay, so these are the some basic properties and the information of your interfaces, that how we can achieve the abstraction by using the interfaces as well. Okay, and also in Java, your Java programming is not supporting the concept of your multiple inheritance. Okay, multiple inheritance concept is not supported by your Java programming, but by using the concept of your interface, you can achieve those functionality as well in Java. That means you can implement more than one interfaces at the same time by simply using the commas. Okay, what I'm trying to say, let's declare another interface here. Okay, another interface, let's take is anything. Let's take it here, development. Okay, development. Development. Okay, so development is also a kind of interface that I had been just declare here. Okay, and inside this I will initialize some the method like coding. Okay, let's take it coding. Okay, so now I can also i- implement this development at the same time in the same class. Okay, by just using the comma. Okay, see, I can able to i- implement more than one interfaces at the same time in the same class. Okay, so this is the property of your interface that is gonna fulfill the concept of your multiple inheritance in Java. Okay, so now what we will do, we will just simply implement this coding inside our this class. Okay, and then just simply pass a message here. Okay, so s out coding coding here. Okay, and don't get confused by this keyword at the rate override. It is nothing, it is just a simple annotation. Okay, it just used by your compiler for the basic understanding that you are just doing overriding of your coding method inside your auto class. Okay, so don't get confused by, if you are not using this annotation yet, then there is no problem. Okay, so now let's run your program. See, these things are being printed here. Okay, and now let's call it here again. We had not call our coding, so al dot coding. Okay, so run your program. Then we will see the coding as well here. Okay, so this is all about your Java interfaces. Okay, and how can we achieve the concept of our abstraction by using the interface in Java. Okay, so hope you all guys have liked this video. Okay, so till then, keep learning, keep growing. See you in our next lecture. Okay. See you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.